Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a very simple method to create a complete video using Grok AI. Let's jump right in. Step 1, go to Grok AI. Once you're inside, you will have two options: create a new image from scratch or upload an image that you already have. Choose whichever one fits your idea. This image will be the foundation for your video. Step 2, click on Create a Video. After you have your image, look for the option Create a Video. Grok will automatically start generating a short animated clip based on the image you selected. Step 3, pause the video and copy a frame. When the preview video starts playing, pause it at the moment you like. Then select the option Copy Frame. This takes a still image from the video, the exact frame you paused on. Step 4, paste that copied frame into the text box, the prompt box. This is important because Grok reads that frame and uses it as a reference to understand the visual style, scene, and tone you want for your final video. Step 5, write what you want the video to be about. You can describe the scene, the story, the mood, the actions, or the camera style. Grok's engine will use both the frame and your text to build a much more precise and high-quality video. Step 6, click Create and let Grok work its magic. Now just wait a few seconds while Grok generates the full video for you. And that's it. Your custom video is ready. So that's the full process: image, generate video, pause, copy frame, paste, write your idea, click Create. It's simple, fast, and gives you a lot of control over the final result.